Hey, my loves. So I'm thinking about doing something slightly impulsive. As in, I just thought that I should do this today. And that is cut a bang. A bang in my curly hair. So I've never cut a bang in my curly hair before. I've only done it with my straight hair. And I would like have it straight and cut it to here. And then the bang would curl up to here. And I would look like Rick James. Rest in peace, sir, but I'm not trying to look like you. Anyways, this is not a real bang right now. This is all bobby pinned up because I just wanted to test. I just wanted to see. So I bobby pinned it and then I went to the gym and of course it fell a little bit, but let's get into how long this actually is. Okay, so this is the length that we're looking to cut. I mean, you can see it's already a little bit shorter. I can't see. Yeah, it was already a little bit shorter. So let's figure this out. First, we need to decide what hair is being cut. So here is my middle part. I'm scared. I'm nervous. What are we doing? Like, what am I even doing? Okay, let me look in the mirror. And I'm doing this now since my hair is dry, set. I did it yesterday. She's looking great. This is like first day wash and go hair. And I think I should just do it to here because that's what it's giving. That's what it's telling me it wants to do. Should I like be really, oh my God, that's a lot of hair. With the bang, it like, if I cut right here, just cut that much. I don't know, I'm scared. I don't know what to do, but that looks good. Just section out a bit. I'm also trying to not ruin the defined curls that I already have. Okay, okay. It's looking good. Oh. Is that too much hair? Is this too much? I don't know. Because it's kind of just how it's naturally falling right now. Scared. So scared. So nervous. Ooh. And I don't want to spray this and wet it. That's what we're looking like. It's not perfect. I don't really want it to be like super perfect. I think that's good. Okay. So there's that. That part is actually freaking horrendous. I'm going to clean that up. Oh, oh, oh. That's what happens when you do things on dry hair. There we go. Okay, so that is better. That is better. Now let me just, and I just feel like that is so much. I don't want that much. I don't want that much. I do not want that much. Okay. Could you imagine if I would have cut that? Because you can always add more to it, but you can't take away once you cut it, you know? Once it's done, it's done. Okay, yeah, that's more like it. I'm feeling this amount a lot better. So nervous. How many times are we gonna say it? Y'all should probably take a shot for every time I say I'm nervous. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm getting less nervous. Okay. Not my first time with the bang. Now I kind of do want to make this like really straight. Okay, I don't have a different comb. Cause baby, you need. Okay, like that really matters. Okay. Now I can put this up. Now that we have the perfect amount of hair for the bang, let's see. I'm going to pull this back so we can see where we want it. Is that good? I feel like that is really good right there. Mm-hmm. Maybe a little longer. Okay. So I'm going to start with my dog being at the door. Y'all can come in. Come on. Follow, follow, follow. Follow, follow, follow. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. I think I should start with just this much. Because I don't want to pull it. We'll see how it is when it's straight. Okay. I'm so scared. That's not enough. I don't know if I want to do this. Because when it, right? I need to cut this much more. This much more? I think. To the nose, right? Okay. Just. Should I do more? I mean, it's not really giving bayang. I kind of have to do more. Kind of have to do more. Okay. So far, it's what we got. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just afraid of it doing like this. But this is how it falls. This is how it falls. Okay. Should I do more? I need to see. So, I should do a little bit more. So scared. Was this a bad idea? It's too late. It's too late now. I mean, is it too late now? Because I can just kind of like leave it like this. Oh my god, I feel like I feel like that's perfect. Okay, I don't think I need to cut any more on those pieces. I think I just need to cut these pieces a little bit more. Give it a little layer type thing. Was this a bad idea? It's too late now. Okay. What is going on here with this piece? Okay. I don't think this is a bad idea. Maybe this was a bad idea. Instant regret. It's too late for regret now. Okay. I think that's where we're gonna leave her. I think that's where we're gonna leave her. Gives me a little peekaboo. Pull out the rest of my hair. Oh my god, was this a bad idea? No, I think we look fine. I think it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's cute. Okay. Yeah, we're not cutting anything else. Not cutting anything else. I think this is good. I got a bang. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, because when I do my hair in like 2 weeks, yeah, I think this is it. Maybe I should have waited until after vacation. Nope, this is it. Because if it shrinks up any more than this, oh my god. If it shrinks up, it can like shrink up and go here. So yeah, we just gave her some breathing room. All the hair we cut. Yeah. Okay, okay. I feel like I can finally wear my hair down curly with the bang because flipped over. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. No, it's not. It's not set for that right now. It's set for this. She's set for this. Okay, and pull check. About down to the chin. About. Because when I cut my hair straight, this is about where I cut it to. So I like how every piece isn't the same length. Okay, so thank you for coming along with me on this journey. What did I just do? Oh my gosh. I'm scared to wet and like reset my hair, but it's fine. It's fine. It looks cute. She's cute. Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time.